Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic rewriter tool which is used to reduce plagiarism in our research paper. We have already discussed about this kind of tool, how to rewrite a content or how to paraphrase a content using different tools. So it is also one of the important tool where you will be having a new option added called humanizer option. So you can select humanizer option, thereby your content will be generated into human also. So let us go on to today's video and explore that rewriter tool, and also we will check the tool that is content generated by the tool for plagiarism also. So whether it will reduce plagiarism or reduce AI content or not. So let us go on to today's video. An important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to design LNC parameters of our buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation of that particular buck and boost converter, and then we are going to connect it with PV and wind energy as source, that is renewable energy as source, and we are going to analyze the response of the converter. So after that, we are going to incorporate that converter with EV charging station. So in this, how that converter will respond to that EV charging station connection. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a research paper writing workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with the different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to discuss different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we are going to get best content out of it to make our content very better for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so it's a AI rewriter pro.ai. So here you can see that AI rewriter tool for most engaging and optimized content. So here the important thing in this AI tool is that the new option added is humanizer option. So you can convert that AI generated content into a humanized content also with paraphrased things. So here you can see these are the important characteristics of this particular AI tool, that is you can improve the content. So the content that makes sense. So whenever you are rewriting your content, it is very important without changing the core meaning of the content. So you have to change that, you have to paraphrase the content in order to reduce plagiarism. So that is very important. So after that, so remove plagiarism from your content, make it 100% unique, and then easy to use, fast and efficient, and then languages, you will be having different languages. So let us explore with some content. So in order to do so, I am going to use ChatGPT to generate a random content. So generate or explain about new techniques in power management in grid in single paragraph. So let us see how this will generate content for us. So here you can see that ChatGPT is generated content. So we will check this content for plagiarism. So we will copy this one and we can go to plagiarism detector. So you will get different options of free plagiarism checkers. So here you will be having different plagiarism checking option. So here you can see that. So plagiarism checker free and accurate. So let's go with this plagiarism checker. So this is one of the free plagiarism checker which will check plagiarism for you. So here you can see that. So it is a general plagiarism checker. So copy and paste the content here and check plagiarism. So let us see how it will generate content for us. So we are not checking for AI direction. So just we are checking for plagiarism. So for AI direction, you can use 0GPT. So here I am going to copy the same content in 0GPT, and then you can check for you can detect the text. So here you can see that 88.06% is generated from that is AI content is generated. So here you can see that So it is generating as 100% unique. We will take 0 GPT for our analysis. So after that, what you can do is go to that Rewriter Pro. So you can copy and paste the content generated from ChatGPT here. So after that, you can select all these particulars. So here you can see the default. So basic, intermediate, advanced. So I am going to select basic. Tone, here you can see how you can select the tone. So here I am going to select it as academic, as we are mainly use this for our research content preparation. So next you can see that audience general, knowledgeable, expert. I am going to click knowledgeable. So here you can see emotion, so it's mild, length, so default. So next language, I am going to select English US. So after that, if you want to convert it in any language, so you can convert it to any language. So turn on this humanizer option. So after that, what you can do is click on rewrite. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So let us see how it will works out and how it will rewrite content for us. So here you can see that our content is rewritten. So we will copy the content here. So copy this content. So you can, this is the rewritten content. So you can go to 0 GPT again. So refresh the page. So next what you can do is copy the content and again check for plagiarism. So detect text. Yes, you can see that. So it is, your text is human written, that is 0% AI GPT. So all this text will be generated, that is content is written by AI, not written by human only, not AI. So like that, it is having a new option that you can convert this AI generated content into a humanized content using this kind of tool. So the important thing is that it also act as a paraphraser, and the new important option will provides you a humanized content. So like that, you can make use of this option in this particular Rewriter Pro to generate a better content for your research paper writing. So make use of this option. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see, so $9.95 per month, you can see that you can have unlimited AI rewrites. So for Prometheus option, so you will be having 30,000 words per month. It is a smarter one, so you will be having 30,000 words per month. Next you can see that yearly plan, $4.99 per month. So next you will be having important option is that save $60 on a yearly subscription, unlimited AI rewrites. You can get unlimited rewrites here also. So like that, you can make use of this option whenever you are struggling to convert this AI generated content into a humanized content. So you can make use of this option in this Rewriter Pro to convert your AI generated content into a humanized content. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So this is the important option added in this Rewriter Pro. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.